Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Priya Fly. I hope you guys are doing great and waiting for the international airline hiring too. So for 2026, I came across Etihad Airways webpage where they have updated the vacancies for cabin crew interview, which is worldwide interview. So anyone can apply from anywhere. Like even if you are not from India, even if you are from Nepal, Bangladesh, Pakistan, like from anywhere you can apply for Etihad Airways. So it is for worldwide, guys, and they haven't mentioned anything like it is only for female. It is open to both male and female, both can apply for this interview. Just go for it. You do not have to wait for specifically for male candidate vacancies. You can just apply for it, guys. I'm going to show you how to fill up the form because form fill up is little bit different than any other airlines. Also, now I am going to help you with the eligibility criteria, which is for male and female both. First thing is your age should be 21 years old. Second thing is your height should be 163 centimeter. Yes, 163 centimeter आपकी height होनी चाहिए. Your height should be that. Even if you are a boy or a girl, it does not matter to them, but your height should be 163 centimeter. Third is 12th pass out or diploma something. If you have, you can apply for it, you can go for it. Fourth is your English speaking skills should be very fluent, like very fluent, like a water. They want candidate who can speak anytime, anywhere, whatever, wherever in English. You should know how to write in English and you how to speak in English. The last point is swimming. So swimming is also important for international airlines. Are the eligibility criteria which Etihad is expecting from us. Now I will give you two more points which is important. You have to note it down or just listen it carefully. After that I will share the screen share and note down the form fill up application process and then go for it. First thing is, if you have applied earlier within 6 months, don't apply again because it's not worth it. As we all know, Etihad takes a lot of months to respond each and every candidate, so you have to understand this. International airlines most of the time takes months and months, like it can be 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, and sometimes it's 6 months also. Just have to be very patient for this. If you have applied within 6 months, do not apply for it. And the second thing is, once you will apply, once you will fill the application form, you may receive on the spot one email assessment by Etihad Airways. You have to give that assessment within 72 hours. Just note down my point. You have to give the assessment within 72 hours. But it is virtual interview. Like virtually you have to sit in a very good manner and with a good uniform or whatever you want to wear. Like it should be look very nice, and then you have to give your virtual interview. So if you want me to share such questions, let me know in the comment section so that I will help you ki kya, like what questions they do ask while like that video assessment which you have to submit before 72 hours, guys. So do not forget to apply for it. Now let's move towards the screen share which will help you to fill up the form and then give the assessment. It may take time. Maybe you will not receive the assessment link within an hour, within 1 day. Maybe it will take time for you people. It does, like I am not going to give you guarantee, but if you will receive the assessment, complete it within 72 hours. That's which is important here. Okay, so let's move towards the screen share.
ये उनका वेबसाइट है जिसकी लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूँगी. सबसे पहले तो आपको इस तरह से दिखेगी. आपको यहाँ पे अपनी रिज्यूमे अपलोड कर देनी है. ठीक है, सिलेक्ट फाइल पे क्लिक करके आपको रिज्यूमे अपलोड करनी है. फिर आपको अपना फर्स्ट नेम, फिर आपका सर नेम, फिर ईमेल आईडी, फिर सिक्योरिटी कोड इंडिया का +91 है, फिर आपको कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर डालनी है. और उसके बाद में वो आपको यहाँ पे 21 ईयर्स एज हो कि नहीं हो वो पूछ रहे, तो येस आपको क्लिक करनी है. और स्विंग फ्लोटेशन यहाँ पे भी येस करना है आपको. डू यू मीट द फॉलोइंग, ये भी आपको. नो विजुअल टैटू, ये भी येस करनी है आपको, ये भी येस करनी है. ठीक है, 163 सेंटीमीटर हाइट आपको बतानी है. व्हाट इंटरेस्ट यू टू वर्किंग विद एतिहाद, एतिहाद आपको क्यों काम करना है वो आपको 1 लाइन की लिखनी है. आप ये गूगल वगैरह से भी लिख सकते हो. आपकी करंट कंट्री क्या है आपको यहाँ पे सिलेक्ट कर लेनी. इंडिया, इंडिया में कौन सी सिटी पे रहते हो. फिर योर करंट रीजन ऑफ रेसिडेंस, तो यहाँ पे आपको क्लिक हियर टू डिटेल्स बताएंगे कि आप कौन से रीजन के हो. तो आप अगर एशिया से देख रहे हो वीडियो, इफ़ यू आर वाचिंग इट फ्रॉम एशिया, तो एशिया लिखना जो भी है, तो हमारा एशिया लिख सकते हो हम यहाँ पे. ठीक है, योर करंट कंपनी, इफ़ यू आर वर्किंग समवेयर, ऑन विच पोजिशन यू आर वर्किंग राइट नाउ, what is the notice period of that company. But if you're a fresher, just write NA, that's it. And then just ignore this. Then you can just upload your additional document. If you have any certificate or something like that, you can add here. And then what is your primary nationality, Indian जो भी आपका है. What is your gender. Then आपकी disability कोई है, yes या no करके आपको यहाँ पे बस mention करनी है. ठीक है, then we want to give all career the best opportunity to succeed. If you need any adjustment to be during application, if you are finding something that उस application में आप वो चीज़ fill नहीं कर सकते हो तो आप यहाँ mention कर देना अपनी चीज़ें. Do you have experience with any other airline? Yes or no, just click it. Experience as a working cabin crew online, तो यहाँ पे आप yes or no select कर सकते हो. Please select the last airline you worked with. तो अगर आप किसी last airline में काम कर रहे हो तो आप select करना है, नहीं करे हो तो फिर इसको ignore करनी है क्योंकि ये mandatory नहीं है. जहाँ पे आपको star mark दिखेगी आपको बस वही mandatory है, अदरवाइज आपको सारा mandatory नहीं है. Then please select your age. एज आपकी जो है select करना है यहाँ से. एप्लीकेशन क्वेश्चंस ये सब में आपको टिक कर लेनी है. देन रीड मोर, यहाँ पे आपको क्लिक हेयर टू एक्सेस इट करनी है. यहाँ पे क्लिक करने के बाद ही आप आगे में यहाँ पे बढ़ सकते हो. तो क्लिक करा मैंने. क्लिक करने के बाद में आपको यहाँ पे देखिएगा कि कुछ ऐसे PDF लिखे हुए चीज़ें आएंगी, प्राइवेसी पॉलिसी आएगी. ये सब मैंने पढ़ लिया, देख लिया. अब आपको बैक हो जानी है इसमें, ठीक है. उसके बाद में यहाँ पे आपको सबमिट एप्लीकेशन कर देनी है. दैट्स इट. दीज आर द प्रोसेस विच यू हैव टू फॉलो, एल्स नथिंग हार्ड एंड इट्स वेरी ईजी. बस आपको अपनी रिज्यूमे अपडेटेड रखनी है.
This is it guys, I hope this form fill up video is helpful to you. If I am lacking somewhere or if you want more information, just let me know in the comment sections. I will try my best to help you out. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do comment if you want questions too, and let's meet you in my next video.